Hey there! If you're an IT professional looking to streamline your Azure environment, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down Azure Identity and Access Management, or IAM. We'll dive into Azure Active Directory, commonly known as AAD, and Role-Based Access Control, or RBAC. Let's get started. First up, what exactly is Azure Active Directory? Think of AAD as the backbone of your identity management in Azure. It's like a giant phone book that keeps track of all your users and their permissions. AD isn't just for Azure. It also integrates seamlessly with many other Microsoft services like Office 365. So if you're already using Microsoft products, you're likely tapping into AAD without even realizing it. Next, let's talk about RBAC. Role-Based Access Control is a powerful way to manage who has access to what in your Azure environment. Instead of giving everyone blanket access, RBAC lets you assign roles to users. These roles come with specific permissions. For instance, you can have a reader role that only allows users to view resources, or an owner role that grants full control. This way, you minimize the risk of unauthorized changes and keep your environment secure. Cool, right? Now, managing identities and roles might sound complex, but trust me, it's not rocket science. In Azure, you can manage identities through the Azure portal. Here's a quick rundown. Go to the Azure portal, head to the Azure Active Directory section, and you'll see options for managing users and groups. You can add new users, assign them to groups, and even set up multi-factor authentication for added security. For managing roles, navigate to the Access Control IAM section within your resource. From here, you can assign roles to users or groups, and even create custom roles if the built-in ones don't fit your needs. One thing to remember is the principle of least privilege. Always give users the minimum level of access they need to perform their job. This reduces the risk of accidental or malicious changes to your environment. Trust me, your future self will thank you for this. All right, let's wrap this up. Azure IAM, with its AAD and RBAC components, is a robust way to manage identities and access in your Azure environment. By leveraging these tools, you can ensure that the right people have the right access to the right resources. So go ahead and explore these features in Azure. Your cloud infrastructure will be all the better for it. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy managing.